Hello, my name is Travis Chrisman with Baja123.com. Today we're at the Baja Animal Sanctuary here in Rosarito. It's where all the rescued dogs in Rosarito come, and horses, and they take care of the animals, and they've got sponsors from the U.S. like Albertsons and other sponsors.
My name is Sunny Benedict. I'm the president and founder of the Baja Animal Sanctuary. We've been in Rosarito since 1997. We're a nonprofit charitable organization in Mexico as well as in the U.S. Our goals are to rescue dogs from the street, cats as well. We have less cats than we do dogs, simply because the dogs take care of the cat population. We have a horse and several rabbits on the premises. The need here in Rosarito is so great because the animals have no other recourse, no place to turn, with exception to the local dog pound, which only gives the animals 72 hours to live unless they're retrieved by their owners. So our goal is to rescue, rehabilitate, and adopt. She came from the dog pound. We were going to euthanize her. And she had so much hair that we couldn't tell that her leg was fractured until we started shaving her. And then the whole back leg was all twisted. She's had 2 surgeries.
Okay, you know, we have to do the whole thing right now. We don't know
Well, obviously monetary donations are always very much appreciated. It's the money that keeps us going here. Our overhead is pretty large. We have 14 full-time guys on staff. If we don't get food donated, we have to buy it. We pay our veterinarians for their services. We often have to buy medicines that are not donated. What we need is building materials. Anything pertaining to dog, cat, animal welfare, blankets, fencing material, gosh, name it. Whatever it is, if you think you can't use it, believe me, we'll make use of it up here. We hold monthly adoption events in San Diego area at various PetSmarts and Petco locations. We ask people to fill out an application. If their application is approved and meets our guidelines for taking home an animal, then we give them the animal. There's a 2-week foster period, during which time, if things are not working out, they can return the animal to us. If it is working out, we finalize the adoption after 2 weeks. Best way probably would be to get me through email, bajadogs@aol.com.